Hello everybody, I am Dr. Pooja Sharma. I am a homeopathic physician. I did my graduation from Nehru Homeopathic Medical College and it's been 5 years that I am practicing homeopathy privately. I have my private clinic in Nevada, Uttam Nagar, and at the moment I expertise in diabetes mellitus, nutrition and respiratory problems. So to begin with, I would like to introduce homeopathy. So homeopathy was a system of medicine which was founded by Dr. Christian Frederick Samuel Hahnemann, who was born in 1755 and he died in the year 1843. So homeopathy was born in the year 1796 by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, and it has two unique principles, which is law of similars and law of minimum dose. So homeopathy is practiced all over India and in many countries of the world, maybe Germany, Pakistan, some parts of America. So it's getting pretty popular nowadays. And coming over to my method, I practice revolutionized homeopathy. So this is the Sehgal method, which works on the mind technique. So it's been 6-7 years that I'm working on this mind technique Sehgal method. So the Sehgal method of revolutionized homeopathy was found by Dr. M.L. Sehgal, late Dr. M.L. Sehgal, which works on the mind technique, which concludes that mind is everything. We treat human beings and patients by mind method. For us, basically, the disease resides in the mind of a person. If mind is healthy, body is healthy. And if mind is not healthy, body is definitely not healthy. So it works on a very unique principle of mind. It is the mind technique on which we cure our patients. Maybe it is diabetes mellitus, maybe it is depression, maybe it is osteoarthritis, maybe any type of disease. So Sehgal method works on the mind technique. For us, the problem lies in the mind. Any patient coming to us for any type of disease, maybe it is mental disease, maybe it is physical disease, maybe it is any problem, we treat the man from the mind. According to us, the man resides in his mind. If mind is healthy, the body is healthy. And also, we work on this mind technique thoroughly in every type of disease, and we have results in coma, in ITP, in diabetes, in pulmonary edema, in acute emergencies. So even I am practicing very successfully with the Sehgal method. And apart from me, I have my uncle, who's the senior most in my group, my sisters who are practicing very successfully in Delhi. So currently there are 3 doctors in the Sehgal method, 3 senior doctors, Dr. Sanjay Sehgal, Dr. Yogesh Sehgal and my uncle, Dr. Prem Sharma. All of them are doing excellent in their field. They are traveling all over the globe, they deliver lectures, and people all over from the world come to listen to their lectures, and there are a number of results which we can show with reports, videos and everything. So to conclude, homeopathy at the moment is a really popular system of medicine which is chosen over by millions of people all over the world. Maybe they are students, maybe it is ladies, maybe it is geriatrics, pediatrics. Homeopathy is doing wonderful. So coronavirus is spreading very fastly in all the parts of India, in fact the world. So my point over here is the relation of homeopathy and coronavirus. So the coronavirus is in many forms. It is pretty deadly also, and at times we see asymptomatic cases also. So coming on to homeopathy and coronavirus, we would like to tell you that there are many cases which are asymptomatic, which are just like any other virus illness. And here the role of homeopathy comes. We have been treating many patients of coronavirus. They may be mild, they may be severe, they may be asymptomatic, but successfully they have been treated with us, with our homeopathic medicines, in only few days and without any side effects and with only mild medications and some diet precautions. They are doing really well. We have the data, we can connect you to the people. There are many people are really getting well by the homeopathic medicine. And also there is one point called medical void. That means that because of the coronavirus and the demand of doctors in the field of corona, in the times of corona, the other problems, the other medical diseases, like n number of diseases, it may be maybe diabetes, maybe arthritis, maybe fever, anything, people could not get all these services because all the doctor and all the medical community was dedicated solely to coronavirus. Here comes our role. Here comes the role of homeopathy, which deals with all such type of problems. So we have been accessible to many people in India, in fact out of India also, for the physical symptoms of coronavirus, maybe fever, maybe weakness, prostration and pneumonia, etc. And the other aspect which is very important of the coronavirus is the depression. Basically, because of coronavirus, the lockdown situation, many people could not digest this situation of lockdown. It was not easy to accept the situation of lockdown, being locked in the house for so many days, especially for students, especially for teenagers who were supposed to be traveling the whole day with their friends, resident scholars who were supposed to be making merry in the hostels, partying out. Now they were locked for like 3 months in the house, which led to many problems like anxiety, like loneliness, like some physical problems as well. But basically there were many mental conditions which we got in our clinics here, of children, of teenagers, even adults also, which were similar to depression, or maybe not a frank depression but a mild ill feeling, low feeling, unhappiness. So here homeopathy has a big role to do. See, we had such type of cases, and with our homeopathic medicine, with our homeopathic approach, with the cycle method, we have treated n number of cases of depression, loneliness with homeopathic medicines. We have the results. There are so many people who were so unhealthy mentally, not feeling good and not eating anything, no desire to talk. There was suicidal tendencies also in the people that we could notice. There was unemployment. There was no growth in their work, maybe any type of work. People were struggling very badly, which led to number of problems mentally, mental conditions, maybe insomnia. Yes, we had a lot of cases of insomnia, young girls, teenagers. They were not happy, because of this they were not eating well, and because of this they were getting weak. There were many problems. So yes, we have successfully dealt with all types of diseases, and I wish to tell you that yes, homeopathy has a great role in treating all such type of cases of coronaviruses, maybe the physical symptoms or maybe the mental symptoms. So homeopathy is reliable, it is simple, it has fixed principles, it is safe, gentle and without any side effects. So I would like to tell you that please go for homeopathy. You should try homeopathy. It is not an alternative system of medicine in today's state. In fact, it is a proper system of medicine which deals with all types of illness and without any side effects in very less time. Thank you.